In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Pixlr subscription. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. By the end, you'll have your subscription cancelled and a clear idea of what happens to your account afterward. First, open your browser and head over to the Pixlr website. Log in using your usual account details. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your account name or profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. It will open a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, you'll want to go into your account settings. When the settings page loads, focus on the panel on the left-hand side. This is where Pixlr organizes different sections like profile, security, and so on. Look down the list until you find the option labeled Billing and Subscription, and then click on it. This is where all your payment and plan information is stored. On the billing and subscription page, you'll see a card or box that shows details about your current Pixlr plan. This usually includes the name of the plan you're on, your next billing date, and information like how many AI credits you have. Take a moment to read this section so you're aware of when you'd be charged next and what you're currently getting with your plan. Now, look toward the bottom of that same card. You should see a button that says Cancel Subscription. Click that button to start the cancellation process. Don't worry, clicking it won't immediately remove your access. It just opens the confirmation step. After you click, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up explains when your access to the current plan will end and which features you'll lose once the cancellation takes effect. It's a good idea to read this carefully, especially if you rely on premium tools or extra credits. If you're still sure you want to go ahead, look for the button that says Cancel Anyway and click it to confirm. Once you've done that, your Pixlr subscription is cancelled. You may still have access until the end of your current billing period depending on their policy, so you can use that time to finish any projects or export your files. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Pixlr subscription.